Welcome to Wealth Street, where we elevate you. Time is money, and studies show that the average person wastes 21.8 hours every week doing low value activities. You may not realize the importance of wasted time. But if you think of wasted time as an opportunity to earn money through productiveness, you will realize. That's why in this video today we will show you how to invest your time and money wisely to avoid any more wastage of your time and money. But before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up on this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Take care of your body. No matter what your work schedule is like or what you do in life, you should give your body 30 to 60 minutes every day. Your physical health is as important as your mental health. Therefore, do not ignore it. You need to invest time in working out and maintaining your physical health. It's your body and you have to live in it. If you take care of your body now, then it will take care of you when you get old. Therefore, make it a priority. Not only can you take care of it by exercising, but also eating healthy food and playing a sport every day are also ways of looking after it. Take care of your mind. This is another essential thing to do. If you do not take care of your mental health, you won't be able to perform any task, hence wasting your time. Your mind controls your thoughts. Therefore, it is essential that you make sure it is in a healthy state. There are many ways by which you can ensure that you are mentally healthy. Some of the many activities that you can indulge yourself in include reading, writing, or picking up a hobby like playing an instrument. Take care of your relationships. Healthy relationships automatically give you peace of mind. And that is very important for you to function to your full potential. It's just as important to take care of yourself while in the relationship as to tend to the relationship itself. To be the best you can be for any of them, take care of the little things that matter in the relationship, but you need to know when it's time to switch gears and put a little focus on yourself and setting healthy boundaries. Take care of your finances. Whether you grew up rich or poor, it is an obligation upon you to take care of your own finance. If you take care of the financial aspect of your life, you will see that you will save yourself from a gazillion worries. You should aim at getting a positive cash flow and spend on yourself before anything else. Another way of remaining financially sound is to avoid falling into financial sinkholes. Debt and finances are two of the most crucial things you should keep an eye out for. More than 30% of the overall American population has credit card debt, and most of them could have avoided this by simply living below their means. Taking care of your financial status includes things like getting a financial advisor to help you figure out where you stand financially and make a plan to get where you want to be. Investing in the stock market or a new business opportunity. Make things happen. Do you ever wonder why some individuals are seemingly better at achieving success than others? The answer to this question will help you to enhance your ability and chances to make things happen. For instance, you know procrastination usually doesn't get you where you need to go, but you just can't seem to avoid it. Find out the root cause of your procrastination habit and why you always postpone your most important tasks. Could it be the fear of failure or the fact that you are uncertain about what outcomes of your new task will be? Familiarizing yourself with the characteristics of individuals who make things happen will enable you to complete every task and get moving forward in your life. You should always aim at making things happen. Remember that. Automate almost everything where possible. The problem why most people can't work for 12 or 14 hours or can't stay focused for long hours is because even before they get to work, they have already exhausted themselves. When you wake up and spend half an hour scrolling through your feeds on Instagram and Facebook, contemplating if you should get up to work or stay in bed for a bit longer. And once you finally decide to get up, you go to the kitchen and spend another 15 to 20 minutes thinking about what you should do or have for breakfast. And then another 10 to 15 minutes deciding what you should wear to work for the day. By the time you get to work, you've already spent most of your willpower on unnecessary decisions. Even if it's as simple as choosing your bread or what you want to buy for your grocery store because you have this variety of bread and other food items to choose from. Remember, each decision you take, regardless of its importance, depletes your resources, no matter how small or big. This can be extremely exhausting. To simplify your decision process, Automate most things. If you have paid attention to some successful people, you will see that they wear the exact same outfit almost every single day. You should not necessarily do that, but at least minimize your options to 2 or 3 every single morning. You can have the exact same breakfast every morning that's full of protein and nutrition, which takes not more than 5 minutes to prepare. Make it a point to wake up at the same time every morning. Choose what to wear once every 3 days. Have a simple morning routine and stick to it. So when you get to work, your willpower and energy level are at the highest level. Try this strategy for 3 months. If it doesn't work, come back and give this video a thumbs down. But for now, while you're watching this video, hit that thumbs up. Start investing at your earliest. It can be difficult to start investing at young age. Your pay packet has to accommodate rent, mortgages, bills, and other numerous expenses, leaving you with barely enough. To add to the difficulty of eking out enough savings, the bewildering array of choices can make it even more intimidating. But when it comes to investments, the earlier you start, the more benefits you can accrue. While the amount you can put aside each month may seem too small, the trick lies in investing it wisely. Starting early allows you to expand your money into a corpus that you can use to meet your financial goals, be it buying a car or an early retirement. It teaches you financial discipline and helps you to gain financial knowledge and independence. Next on the list, have savings for short-term goals and emergencies. Sticking to a strict budget so you can begin to save money for your financial goal is hard, especially if you have to completely change the way you're spending. You may need to skip your fancy coffee in the morning or cancel your favorite cable TV package. These compromises allow you to free up money in your budget so you can focus on building up your savings account and ultimately reaching your short-term financial goal. It is important to be able to identify your short-term and long-term financial goals. Knowing the difference between these two types of goals will help you to develop more realistic strategies to achieve them. Clearly defining these goals can also be useful when you're trying to implement small changes. Your short-term goals should include goals that are easier and faster to achieve, while your long-term goals are those you won't be able to accomplish in the near future. Short-term goals should also be stepping stones to your long-term goals, and when you achieve these short-term goals, it can help you keep motivated to stay on track toward your long-term financial goals. Invest to accomplish long-term goals. You should also make it your aim that a certain amount from your salary should go towards your saving for achieving long-term goals. Start saving a minimum of 10-15% of your gross income for retirement. You might laugh at that thought of it now, but time flies, and before you know it, you will be old. And at the point in your life, you do not want to regret not having enough savings. Therefore, save for a better future and a tension-free life. Choose investment according to your horizon. The investment horizon is the time for which you will keep your investment portfolio before spending it. The investment horizon plays a big role in deciding the kind of risk appetite you have and the portfolio you should invest in. You may try thinking about a goal for which you are investing and how long you have to achieve that goal to help you arrive at an investment horizon. Consider low-risk investments that are easy to turn into cash if you want your money to grow and you know you have a few years before you'll need it. Consider some investments with more growth potential and a moderate level of risk if you know you have many years before you'll need the cash. Avoid investment funds with high fees. Your aim should be to save money or make money from the one that you earn. Investing offers a good opportunity for people to make money from their own money. However, you should avoid funds with high fees. Different funds charge different fees. You should choose the one that charges less and allows you to save more. The easiest way to avoid high fees is by investing in indexes, ETFs, and mutual funds. These are baskets of investments like stocks that spread your money across numerous companies. I hope you got value for your time and great insights from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments down below because we love hearing from you guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is Wealth Street, where we elevate you.